Welcome to Pula, one of the most fascinating cities in Croatia, located on the picturesque Istrian Peninsula. A place rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, attracting visitors from all over the world. Join me as we explore the wonders of this unique city. Pula is situated on the southwestern tip of the Istrian Peninsula, surrounded by the crystal-clear waters of the Adriatic Sea. It is the largest city in Istria, with a population of around 60,000. Due to its strategic location, Pula has been an important trade hub and a strategic port for centuries. Today, it offers tourists not only beautiful beaches and charming coves, but also incredible historical monuments that tell the story of its turbulent past. Pula boasts a rich history that dates back to ancient times. The first signs of human settlement here go back to the Neolithic era. But it was the Romans who played a crucial role in shaping the city. Pula was founded as a Roman colony in the 1st century BC, and from this period comes the city's most iconic monument, the Pula Arena, a magnificent Roman amphitheater. This monumental structure, capable of holding over 20,000 spectators, is one of the best preserved Roman amphitheaters in the world. In ancient times, it hosted gladiator battles and public spectacles, while today it serves as a venue for concerts and festivals, including the renowned Pula Film Festival. After the fall of the Roman Empire, Pula came under the control of various powers, including Byzantium, Venice, the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and Italy. Each era left its mark on the city's architecture and culture. Pula is more than just its amphitheater. Walking through the city, you will encounter numerous other Roman landmarks, such as the Arch of the Sergi, a triumphal arch from the 1st century commemorating the victories of the influential Sergi family. Another highlight is the Temple of Augustus, dedicated to the first Roman emperor, Augustus, built on the city's main square, the Forum. Pula is surrounded by stunning nature, making it an ideal destination for lovers of the outdoors. Just nearby is the Brijuni National Park, an archipelago of 14 islands, known for their unique biodiversity and archaeological sites. For sea enthusiasts, Pula's coastline offers numerous bays and beaches. Particularly popular are the beaches in Verudela, the city's tourist district, where the waters are perfect for diving and snorkeling. Pula is a city where history, culture, and nature come together to create a truly unforgettable experience. It's a place every traveler should visit at least once. I hope this short guide has inspired you to explore this remarkable corner of Croatia. See you in Pula.